Good morning, this is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute. Real quick, when I say live, what do I mean? Well, I mean that these videos have not been pre-recorded or anything like that. So this is not some sort of voiceover or post commentary where I, already know what happens or anything like that. I don't know what's going to happen. This is live. So if you want raw thoughts, raw emotions, raw reactions, you will get that here. If you want nicely edited video, nicely scripted video, you're not going to get that here. But if you just want a nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader, then you're going to find that here. Markets just opened up. You can see that candle has started moving, and I'm watching LLY out of the opening gates. And this one moved much quicker than what I thought it would, from basically 193 down to 189.50. And again, this is a 1 minute candle right here. So that's what's representing going on in the first minute. So still interested in it, but like I said, just moved a little bit quicker than what I'd anticipated. And Tesla let's pull up Tesla here. 690 looks interesting. Oh, 691 could be interesting. $690 down to 691. In there at 691. Looking for 690 and below. So got out there for a quick $326 scalp. It's 9:31. So literally $300 in a minute. I swear, the stock market is a crazy, crazy place. Where do you make $326 in a minute? I don't know. Apparently the stock market. So crazy. And I don't say that to brag. I say it to build perspective. Because I know how easy it is to lose perspective and think that you have to be making thousands and thousands of dollars to be like actually having a good day trading. I don't know. I think that's a little wrong when you actually just stop and like reflect on things. Where I just made, you saw me make, well, I mean, the trade itself lasted all of 7 seconds. So I mean, I was a minute into the day, but the trade lasted 7 seconds. I mean, really, who wouldn't be happy with $320 in 7 seconds? Once more, I'm not bragging. I just want to build context because I'm the same way. I can cruise around social media and feel like I had a bad day because, wow, such and such. Look at all the thousands they made, and I only made that. It's like, wait a second. Am I being a little corrupted here? Airlines aren't nearly as fast, though. What's going on with GoPro? Who remembers GoPro? Who remembers when that thing was so popular? And the stock was just, oh, wow. Okay. All right. Let me get this alerted. If you're not familiar, I do offer a community. So I'm talking to you, making alerts in the chat room. Fade potential over 12:50, 5 minute. So if this thing can get up over 12:50, I'd be interested in potentially trying to build a short position on this one. But it's still got a while to go before I would be interested in it. But I got all sorts of stuff going on. I had a customer service ticket come in too. So I am multitasking. Well, Tesla's still dropping, but the plan was not to hold for some sort of massive move. The plan was to take that quick scalp, given it was so early in the day. So, all right, well, I'm going to go ahead and pause. But yeah, there we go. Already got one trade, $320 in 7 seconds. I will take it. All right, watching 191 here. That's not a huge. So in at 190.75. Just 100 shares. I'm not extremely familiar with this one, so I'm just going to play it a little safely here by just going with the 100 shares. I'd like to see this thing down to at least 190. So we'll see if it wants to break down a bit more here. With just 100 shares, I very well could be looking to add if it wants to come back down. Because even if I add just another 100 shares, I mean, that's only got me at 200 shares. So, I mean, even that is a relatively small position. I will add at 191, just another 100 shares, if it comes back into play. What is that actually? Low of 191. Yeah, I'll keep it at 191 for now. This thing is very clearly drifting downwards right now. So if 191 comes back into play. Oh, there goes Tesla again. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, 191. I do like it. If it can come back into play, absolutely, yeah. I guess I'm kind of talking to myself right now. So let's see what this one wants to do here. Starting to drop. And watching 191. And they're at 191.05. So I have 200 shares now. See if we can get this down below 190.50. Okay, took out 50 shares. No one. Oh, I only added 50 shares. Shoot. No wonder why. I was thinking I should still have 50 shares right now. Whoops. Well, maybe you caught it. Maybe you're yelling at your computer. No, you idiot. You didn't add 100 more shares. So I got in just to, and this is, it's nobody's fault but my own, but this is kind of the problem with sometimes these live trade videos where too much going on, I can't remember. But I added my original at 100. It came back down and saying, I want to add another 100, but I was also looking to potentially scale out of those first 100 at 50. So I changed that to 50 because I was, when I originally got in, I was thinking, okay, if it drops down to 190, I'll pull out 50 at 190. But then, saw it go back up. So then when it came back down, I was thinking, okay, well, let me add in another 100. But I never changed the 50. I never changed that back to 100. So because I didn't change that back to 100, I just had 150 shares. So when I scaled out of those three areas right there, I thought I would still have 50 shares to enjoy, what turned to be, a downwards move, and there may be more downwards move to continue on. But I totally took myself out of the position. So, well, it is what it is. So for those of you that were yelling, no, you didn't add 100. You only have 150. Yell louder next time because I didn't hear you. I did not hear you. So I actually blame you. It's not my fault. It's your fault. It's your fault for not yelling loud enough. But all right, well, made $63 on that trade. Should have been more, but it is what it is. But let's see what else I can find. All right, I'm watching 688 here. In for 150. See if we can get down to at least 687. There we go. Got those. Fantastic. Fantastic out there for our scalp, which now puts me at, let's see, 556 on Tesla, $619 on the day, and it's 9:45. So 15 minutes in, I'm calling it a day, up 600. Well, with commissions, let's call it $610-ish. So 610. What's going on with Disney here? Yeah, okay, not a huge move. But anyways, for those of you maybe not totally familiar with the channel, maybe this is your first video, my approach is my strategy, my philosophy, my mindset, whatever you want to call it, is the be done in 30. I mean, I'm looking on average to be done after 30 minutes every day. Now, of course, some days it'll be like this, where I'm done after 15 minutes. Some days I'm done after 5 minutes, after 2 minutes. Other times, 45 minutes, it's an hour. But on average, to be right around 30 minutes, usually it's a little less, but be done in 30, I don't know, that has a nice ring to it. So be done in 30, because I do trading as a side hustle, not because I want a Lamborghini, not because I need a private jet. Now, if that's why you're getting into trading and investing, is because you want a Rolex watch collection and you want to, sip bottles of Cristal from your yacht, cool, go for it. I hope you get it. I really do. I hope you get it. For me, as a father of 4 kids, I want to have freedom of time. I want to be able to do with my time what I want. So if I can be done and, put, $610 in my pocket after 15 minutes of work, or, again, on average 30 minutes each morning, and then go on about my day, then I'm more than happy with that. So that's my philosophy, is be done in 30. I trade not for necessarily the Lamborghini. I trade for the freedom of time. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. But before I do go, a couple quick things. As you saw, and again, it's my fault, but these videos are not the easiest to make because they are truly live. So I'm talking to you. I am thinking for myself. I have to make alerts in the chat room. I have to actually execute orders. I have to remember to change share sizes. So there's a lot going on, and it does take quite a bit to make these videos live. And I will keep doing them. I just want to make sure that I'm using my time in the smartest way possible. So if you do enjoy these videos, then a couple things. First, hit the like button. Second, leave a comment. It could be a thumbs up emoji, something as basic. Some people just leave a period comment. That's fine too. Just leave a little period comment, and that works just fine too. But hitting the like button and leaving some sort of comment goes a long way in communicating to me that, yeah, Clay, I know these videos, there's a lot going on for you because they are live, but please keep making them. I enjoy them. And as long as I know that people are enjoying them, as long as I know that people want me to keep making them, then I will keep doing it. I just want to make sure, like I said, that I'm using my time as smart as possible. So thank you for hanging out. Remember, you don't have to make thousands upon thousands of dollars. Keep things in perspective. And I mean, even if you made, let's say, $50 in 30 minutes, think about it. What's the minimum wage these days? Yet you just maybe made $50 in 30 minutes. That's crazy compared to somebody making the minimum wage. So like I said, build context, just keep that in mind. And thanks for hanging out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.